Toyota just made its compact SUV smarter. Meet the 2026 Corolla Cross Hybrid SE. More power, more tech, and better mileage. This is the small SUV that just might make you forget the RAV4. Let's get straight to what's new. No fluff, just facts. The Corolla Cross Hybrid SE sits right between Toyota's popular Corolla sedan and the RAV4, but for 2026 it's more advanced than ever. With a 2.0-litre engine paired to electric motors, it delivers a combined 196 horsepower, and yes, all-wheel drive is standard on every hybrid model. Let's talk numbers, because that's what matters. The 2026 Corolla Cross Hybrid SE gives you around 42 miles per gallon combined, with 45 mpg in the city and 38 on the highway. That's outstanding for an AWD SUV. And thanks to Toyota's hybrid tech, power delivery feels instant, smooth acceleration without the constant fuel burn. It's the kind of everyday performance that makes city driving and weekend trips effortless. The 2026 model brings a few subtle but smart design tweaks. You'll notice the refreshed front fascia, the body color grille unique to the hybrid models, and new paint options, including that striking cavalry blue with a black roof. It's compact but sharp, a modern athletic look that fits the hybrid badge perfectly. Inside, Toyota focused on tech and comfort. The Hybrid SE now offers a 10.5-inch touchscreen and a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster on higher trims. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto keep you connected, while Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 brings adaptive cruise, lane keeping, and pre-collision assist, all standards. The cabin feels more premium than before, with better materials, improved console layout, and great visibility. With a starting price of around $30,300 USD, the Corolla Cross Hybrid SE gives you efficiency, AWD capability, and Toyota reliability, all in one compact SUV. It's small enough for city life, yet strong enough for weekend getaways. It's not trying to be flashy. It's built to be smart, efficient, and dependable. The 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid SE proves that you don't need a massive SUV or a full EV to drive into the future. Toyota's hybrid system keeps improving, and this model shows just how balanced a modern crossover can be. So what's your favorite part? The hybrid performance, the tech, or the fuel economy? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit like if you enjoyed this breakdown, and subscribe for more upcoming car reviews.